let's go ahead and get to it. My son is out in the background playing with his Oculus with his friends, so you guys mind the noise. If you do hear anything, it's him on his Oculus with his friends. And let's go ahead and get to this job. The company is called Valued Relationships Incorporated, and the pay for this job will be $16 an hour. It's a full-time job position, and you will be able to apply only through Indeed on this link that I will provide for you in the job description box below. And the job role will be remote client welcome service representative, and like I said before, $16 an hour. It's a full-time job position. Its overview of this job is the Client Welcome Service Representative (CWSR) is a part of the operations department, and CWSR is primarily responsible for onboarding new clients and completing client profiles. CWSRs and are the first point of contact and the first voice of VRI for new clients and caregivers. Initial referrals are completed by the case manager services net team. Once completed, CWSRs contact new clients, welcome them to VRI, and complete their records so the client is ready for installation and activation. Now, the schedule for this job will be Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. through 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The responsibilities for this job role being a remote client welcome service representative will be perform outbound calls to new clients to welcome them to VRI, collect required information, and advance their progress to activation, process new client referrals, and enter client demographic and billing information into VRI systems. Manage outbound and inbound phone calls to clients, caregivers, and case management. Support staff to explain services and establish client relationships accurately. Enter client data for new members. Interact with external and internal parties in a professional, helpful, and courteous manner. Communicate with our other VRI employees and teams by email, phone, and internal system notes and messages. Answer routine inquiries and referral calls, not requiring dispatches to appropriate refer calls, not requiring dispatches to appropriate departments and agencies. Maintain access to and security of highly sensitive materials. Meet individual, team, and department goals for productivity and quality. Comply with VRI and operations team policies, standard operation procedures, guides, reference material, memos, notes, videos, and other direction and trainings. Other duties as assigned. Now, the qualifications for this job is a required high school diploma or GED, comfortable using computers and saving electronic files, experiencing use Microsoft Outlook and Teams preferred, ability to work flexible hours and overtime when needed, able to manage time to complete tasks within the expected time frame, team play with positive attitude, ability to multitask, excellent customer service skills, attention to details. Now, this job got posted 1 day ago, you guys. So if you can hop on over on Indeed, and then I will post a link down below so you guys can go ahead and apply to this job if you seem like you're interested in this company called Valued Relationships Incorporated. And the job role for this job would be remote client welcome services receptionist. Representative. Now that'll be all for this video, you guys. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Sorry about all the flummers and thunders and blummers, but I'm sorry. I will definitely make it up to you guys and make another video in a little while. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. And turn on that notification bell. And never give up on your dreams. Keep going.